Welcome to the video. Today, we're going to backtest our custom trading strategy on the BATUSDT pair. Using the one-day time frame from May 2024 to May 2025. We'll be using our special indicator along with support and resistance levels to simulate real trading conditions and see how the strategy performs. If you enjoy this kind of content, don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe to support the channel. On the screen, you can see a sell signal from our indicator. When this happens, we open a short position. However, it's important to pay attention to the support and resistance levels. We place the short entry here, set the stop loss just above the resistance level, and the take profit at the nearest support level. Now, a buy signal appears on the indicator. What we do is draw a support level, then open a buy position. The stop loss is placed just below the support price, and the take profit is set at the nearest resistance level. Now the price has reached the resistance and hit our take profit target. Right after a sell signal appears, it's time to act again using the same method. Enter a short position, place the stop loss above the resistance, and set the take profit at the nearest support level. Next, we patiently wait for the price to move in our favor. After the first sell signal, another sell signal appears, indicating a strong short momentum. We continue using the same strategy and maintain our previous position, as long as the price doesn't hit our stop loss. Now the take profit is hit, and a buy signal appears. It's time to apply the same strategy. First, we draw the support line. Then open a buy position, set the stop loss below the support, and the take profit at the nearest resistance. Now, we draw the nearest resistance target. Since this is a downtrend, it's harder for the price to reach the same resistance level because of the lower highs LH and lower lows line structure. Now, before reaching the target, a sell signal appears. This means we should close our long position and switch to a short position. Set the stop loss at the highest resistance point and the take profit at the nearest support. First, we set the new support and resistance levels. Then analyze the chart carefully and finally execute the trade according to our plan. Then we execute the trade and the price moves up. As long as the stop loss isn't hit, this means the trade is still within our strategy and we need to be patient and wait. Now, the price has reached our take profit target as planned. By using just support and resistance levels, we can achieve good profits in trading. Next, we need to wait for the price movement until a new signal appears. We must be patient and avoid FOMO. Never opening positions without a clear signal. Always trade according to the plan. Now, a new sell signal appears. First, we set the take profit and stop loss. It's important not to deviate from our plan. After setting everything up, we wait for the result. The result is that we hit the take profit, showing that we can trade consistently just by using support and resistance along with this indicator. Now the price is pumping high, but there's no buy signal from the indicator. We need to stay patient and avoid opening positions. Always stick to the plan and wait until the next signal appears. Now a sell signal appears above, presenting a significant opportunity. Since the price pumped up quickly, there's a high chance it will drop just as fast. First, we draw new support and resistance levels. Then set the stop loss above the support and target the take profit at the lowest resistance. Remember this rule: when price rises sharply, a fast drop often follows. This is a key trading principle in the crypto market. Now we need to be patient and wait until the price reaches our target. As you can see, the price has started dumping significantly, so we just wait for the take profit to be hit. Now the price has hit the take profit and immediately a buy signal appears. This could mean the price is about to pump again. But remember, crypto markets are very volatile, so we must seize this opportunity using the same rule. We open a long position, but since the price has dumped a lot, we place our stop loss at the nearest support level only. After setting the take profit at the nearest resistance, the target is hit very quickly. We must remain patient, even if the price keeps pumping past the all-time high ATH. Never open any positions without a clear signal. Now, we wait for the next signal. The next signal that appears is a buy signal. This indicates that it's time for us to open a long position. We will follow the same strategy as before. First, identify the support level. Set the stop loss just below it and target the nearest resistance for our take profit. Sticking to this consistent plan helps us trade more effectively. And now, we've hit the stop loss. This happens sometimes, and it's important to stay calm and stick to the plan. Once the stop loss is hit and a buy signal appears, we open a buy position again using the same strategy. When we are still floating at a loss, but a buy signal appears, we stay with our original position and do not change it as long as the stop loss hasn't been hit. Even if multiple buy signals appear and we've already opened a long position earlier that hasn't reached the take profit, we still need to wait patiently until the target is hit before opening a new position. Now the price has hit the stop loss and broken the support. We must realize that not every trade will be profitable. It's important to accept losses, stick to our plan, and remain patient until the next signal appears. Now a new buy signal appears and the price has dropped significantly. This is a good opportunity to open a long position. We'll stick to the same strategy, place the stop loss just below the support, and set the take profit at the nearest resistance level. We will wait for the price to move, and the result is the price starting to rise. It's about to reach the take profit soon. Now that we have hit the take profit and completed the target, let's review the overall performance. Out of 10 trades, 8 were winners while 2 resulted in losses. This gives us a win rate of 80%, which is considered very good in trading. An 80% win rate indicates that the strategy and indicator we used are quite effective at identifying high probability entry points. However, it's important to remember that losses are an inevitable part of trading. The key to long-term success is not just winning trades, but managing losses properly and sticking to the trading plan. Our stop-loss strategy helped limit losses when trades didn't go as expected, preventing large drawdowns. Additionally, patience in waiting for clear signals helped avoid premature entries that could have caused unnecessary losses. This backtest shows that consistent application of support and resistance levels combined with the indicators, buy and sell signals can produce profitable results. To improve further, continuous review of losing trades can help refine the strategy. Overall, this performance is promising and encourages disciplined trading moving forward. If you'd like to use this indicator, don't forget to follow, like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And if you're ready to start trading, register your MEXC account using our referral code BONUSFUTURE to get exclusive bonuses and support the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.
Want to start trading crypto with low fees and huge rewards? Get up to $8,000 in bonuses with MEXC. Use my referral code BONUSFUTURE and enjoy 20% cashback on your trading fees. I've already earned over $160 just from bonuses, and the best part, spot trading fees 0% and futures only 0.01%. Join now, trade smarter. Use code BONUSFUTURE, link in the description below.